From being used in dishing out sinful desserts and refreshing fruit bowls to being famous as the most important ingredient in the wine-making process, it is not without reason that grapes are known as the queen of fruits. Classified under the family of berries, grapes come in different varieties as well as colors: green, red, blue, purple and black. Grapes are easily available in the markets throughout the year. The vine containing the group of berries are not only pretty to look at and delicious with its sweet and tarty taste, but are loaded with extremely important vitamins, minerals, and proteins that work for the well-being of the body. 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Grapes are a powerhouse of antioxidants. They contain a wide range of plant-based vitamins or minerals right from carotenoids to polyphenols. Studies have showed that these plant-based vitamins or minerals help in preventing certain kinds of cancers and help in maintaining heart health. Among polyphenols, resveratrol is known for its properties such as inhibiting the formation of free radicals that could cause cancer and dilating blood vessels to ease blood flow and lower blood pressure. The body-protecting chemical content is the highest in the seeds and the skin. 2. Prevents skin problems. It is found that resveratrol prevents signs of aging and other skin problems. Resveratrol, when combined with a common acne medicine benzoyl peroxide, fights the acne-causing bacteria. 3. Good for the eyes. Grapes help increase eye health from signaling changes at the cellular level to directly countering oxidative stress. Including grapes in the diet results in lower levels of inflammatory proteins and higher amounts of protective proteins in the retinas, which is the part of the eye that contains the cells that respond to light, known as photoreceptors. 4. Boost brain power. Certain studies have found that resveratrol helps in increasing blood flow to the brain. By the way, it could help speed up mental responses and prove to be helpful for those suffering from brain-related sicknesses like brain disease. A study done also found that resveratrol can help remove plaques and body-damaging chemicals, which affect the brain. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. It has been found that grapes contain certain enzymes which bring about anti-swelling effect in our body. As such, it brings about relief to the arteries, promotes heart health and helps in other repair functions of the body. For more information on home remedies, check out Natural Home Cures.